If you want to sign out of Gmail, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to log out of your Gmail account in just a few clicks. This is helpful if you're using a shared computer, switching between accounts, or just want to keep your email more secure. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Gmail in your browser. You can go directly to mail.google.com and wait for your inbox to load. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right corner of the page. There you'll see your profile picture or account icon. This is the menu that gives you access to your Google account options. Go ahead and click your profile picture. A small menu will appear showing the account you're currently signed into, along with any other Google accounts that may already be added to the browser. In that menu, look for the sign out option. Click sign out and Gmail will log you out of the current account. That's it. You've successfully signed out of Gmail. Now, if you're using a shared device, this is a really good habit to get into after you finish checking your email. It helps protect your privacy and keeps other people from accessing your messages, contacts, and account information. If you don't see the exact same layout, don't worry. Google sometimes updates the look of Gmail, but the sign out option is almost always under your profile picture in the top right corner. So the main steps stay the same. Open Gmail, click your profile icon, then choose Sign Out. If you want to switch to another account instead of fully signing out, you can also use that same profile menu to add or select a different Gmail account. But if your goal is to completely log out, just choose Sign Out and you're done. And that's how to sign out of Gmail quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.